Ready to sneak in some Roblox during study hall, but your school Chromebook is throwing up roadblocks? Let's dive into the world of Chromebook gaming hacks carefully. First, let's check your Chromebook settings. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Then select Settings. Look for Privacy and Security. Are there any obvious restrictions listed? Knowing what you're up against is half the battle. Next up, browser extensions. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for VPN. A VPN can sometimes bypass network restrictions by masking your IP address. Install a reputable VPN extension, but remember, some schools block these too, so proceed with caution. Enable the VPN and then try accessing Roblox. If the VPN doesn't work, try searching for Roblox Unblocked in a search engine. This may lead you to proxy websites that host versions of Roblox. Be extremely careful here. Only use websites that look legitimate and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading anything. Another option is cloud gaming services. Some, like Xbox Cloud Gaming, might be accessible in your browser if your school network allows it. You could potentially play Roblox through this method, but it requires a subscription and stable internet, which school Wi-Fi often isn't. Important disclaimer: school networks have security measures for a reason. Bypassing these could have consequences, from getting a simple warning to facing serious disciplinary action before trying these methods. Consider the school's policies and understand the risks involved. This video is for informational purposes only, and we do not encourage violating your school's rules. Ultimately, the best way to play Roblox is probably not on your school Chromebook. Try sticking to homework during school hours and save the gaming for when you're off campus. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.